Welcome everybody, and in this lecture we'll discuss a small section under section 194M. Yes, we are going to discuss about a TDS section 194M. This section talks about certain payments to whom? To either the contractor, to a professional, or to a commission agent. Now, if I tell you that you wanted to construct a house, and when you decided to construct the house for your personal purpose, not for business, only for your personal purpose, and you agreed with the contractor that for his services you are going to pay him 80 lakhs rupees. Now, in our common life, what we feel that it is a personal transaction, so nothing to think about TDS also. But you are wrong. After 2019, 194M section was introduced, and it said even if it is a personal payment, if the amount exceeds 50 lakhs rupees, you have to deduct the TDS. Suppose you paid to a lawyer to fight your personal case. Suppose there is a criminal case on you or a civil suit filed on you, and you have to hire a lawyer. You paid around 60-70 lakhs to that lawyer in a financial year. Then also 194M will apply, because lawyer is a professional and for his professional services you are paying. Sometimes what happens, you pay commission for some purpose. Maybe you wanted to purchase a house for maybe 50 crores or something like that, and the broker who found the house for you, you paid him 1 crore as commission. Now in this case, the commission what you paid is also subject to TDS under section 194M. So basically 194M talks about personal contracts where you pay more than 50 lakhs rupees in one financial year. Now let's see one after the other what it actually means. The first point, to whom this section applies? Only to individual and HUF. To whom this section applies? Only to individual and HUF who make the payment to a resident. Make the payment to resident. Now, how much TDS should be deducted? 5% should be deducted. How much? 5% should be deducted. Now, on the points which I am going to discuss now. See, first thing, if you are paying to a contractor and that contractor is providing some contract related services or even supplying labor, still okay, but you are paying to him and TDS should be deducted. Second thing, you are paying commission other than commission under section 194D. So if it is an insurance commission, it's not covered here under this section. But if it is not insurance commission, you as an individual or HUF is paying, and the whole amount in a year is more than 50 lakhs, then definitely on that commission also TDS should be deducted. Like I said, the broker for the house got 1 crore as commission from you. Definitely this section applies. But suppose you took an insurance policy of 100 crores for your personal purpose, and their insurance commission agent got some commission. For that, this section doesn't apply, because insurance commission agent TDS will be deducted under 194D. Okay, very good. So 194M doesn't apply. Now come to the next part. The next part talks about professional services. I gave lawyer's example. You had a personal family case, or family related case only, property related case. Now you were fighting, so you paid to the lawyer more than 50 lakhs in a year. Definitely TDS should be attracted. TDS will be attracted and TDS has to be deducted. At which rate? Tell me, comment below. 5%. Now next thing. Hey, when this TDS should be deducted? The point is, The time of deduction of TDS is either at the time of payment, when you make the payment to that contractor, commission agent or professional, or the time when the amount is credited, the accounting entry you have put in. So actual payment or credit in your books of accounts, whichever is later, nahi baba, earlier, whichever is earlier. Okay. Now, what is the threshold limit? I already said that if the payment in the whole year is less than 50 lakhs, no TDS should be deducted. But more than 50 lakhs, TDS must be deducted under section 194M. Okay, clear to all of you, yes or no? Very good. We discussed till now all these things. Now, for deducting TDS, is TAN required? Tax deduction and collection account number. Is it required? Because you are an individual. Now, TAN is not possible that you will have, right? Generally, TAN is maintained by people who are into business, right? If you are a sole proprietorship business registered, then you may get TAN. If you are a HUF registered business, definitely you will get TAN, because you have to deduct TDS. And moreover, if you are making personal payments, then why TAN is required? Not required, correct? So that's why they said here you deduct TDS only on the basis of PAN, only on the basis of PAN number, right? Collect the PAN of contractor, right? Deposit the TDS with the government, right? Under within 30 days. Suppose example, in the month of April, you paid 60 lakhs to the contractor. Okay, full and final payment. So the month of payment is April, correct? So ignore April month. By the 30th of May, right? So once the payment is done, in the next month, within 30 days, you should actually deposit the money with the government and also get 26 QD form, right? Fill that 26 QD form in the website, right? By submitting the challan in the income tax website. Now, once you do this, immediately after the 30th day, within next 15 days, you should give a certificate in form 16D to whom? To the contractor, to the professional, to the or commission agent, correct? To them you should give 16D form. So how many days it took the process? Suppose in rough note I will tell you, in the month of April you made the payment of more than 50 lakhs. So you ignore April month. So May month will come. Within 30 days, that means by 30th of May, right, you should pay the money to central government's account, and you should also generate 26 QD form. And finally, you should download the TDS certificate and give it to the contractor. TDS certificate in which form? 16D. Within how much days you should give? Within 15 days. 15 days from what? After the expiry of the 30th day. Right? Now, there may be certain people who actually don't have so much income. So, they should get some exemption, yes or no? Yes. So, they can apply to the income tax department under section 197 to get the exemption. Arey sir, either don't deduct TDS or deduct TDS at lower rate. If these people get the certificate from income tax department, then the TDS which you deduct should either be at the lower rate as given in the certificate, or no TDS should be deducted. So exemption can be given subject to section 197. Right? This way we completely understood 194M section. I feel you got full clarity on this section. Okay, we'll meet in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye everybody.